Today's lesson, we're going to be looking at continuing a sequence. But before that, here is your times table starter. Pause the video, answer the questions, press play when you're ready for the answers. Here are the answers. When you've marked your work, press play for the next slide. Okay, so here's your noddy words. Again, copy it down, pause the slide, press play when you're ready to continue. Example 1. Write the first 5 terms of this sequence. Now, terms are the numbers in a sequence. And a sequence is a list. Okay, so let's have a look. So we're going to start at number 2, and then we're going to add on 4. So we're going to start at number 2, then we're going to add on 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we're going to add on another 4, which gives us 10. Then we're going to add on another 4, which is 14. I'm going to add on another 4, which is 18. Okay, let's see how many numbers we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've now got 5 numbers. So these are the first 5 terms of this sequence, okay? Look, it says start on 2, so we include 2 in our sequence. Pause the screen, make sure you've got down all the information, and press play when you're ready to continue. So here's another one then. So again, we've got to write down the first 5 terms of the sequence. This time we're going to start on 30. So we'll write 30. Then we're going to subtract 10. So we're going to take away 10. So 30 take away 10 is 20. Take away another 10 is 10. And another 10 is 0. 1, 2, 3. We've only got 4 numbers. So now we've got to take away another 10. So that's going to be minus 10. Okay, if you think about your number line, okay, so you'd have 0 here, minus 1, minus 2. We're going to keep going until you've got to minus 10. Okay, again, pause the video, press play when you've got all the information and you're ready to move on. So this is main task 1. Okay, slightly different today. You're going to have 2 main tasks to do for this video. So this is the first one. Pause the video, answer all the questions, press play when you're ready for the answers. There are your answers to main task 1. Pause the video, mark your work, press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, so now we're on to example 3. So pause this screen, or watch the screen and then pause if you need to carry on writing down the information. So look at the sequence below. This time we've got to find the rule and the next 2 terms. Okay, so it's giving you a clue here. We've got 2 empty spaces. So we need to find the rule. So we need to know how we get from one number to the next. So how do we get from 10 to 15? We add on 5. Does that work? Yep, we can add on another 5. 20 to 25, we're going to add on another 5. So if we add on another 5, it's going to give us 30. And then we add on another 5, gives us 35. Okay, so we found the rule. So the rule is add on 5 each time. And then we filled in our next 2 terms. Don't forget you can pause the video, press play when you're ready to continue. Example 4. So we're going to find the rule and the next 2 terms. So how do we get from 7 to 5? Okay, so this time we're going to take away 2. 5 take away 2. Yep, works, gives us 3. Take away 2. So we're going to take away 2 again. Not sure. Have our number lines. So we've got 1. So take away 2, that would be 1 minus 1. Okay, then we need to take away another 2. This time we started on minus 1. 2 steps would be minus 3. Okay, so pause the video, copy down all the information and press play when you're ready to continue. So here's our main task 2. So you need to copy down each sequence, continue the sequence to find the last 2 terms and also describe the rule. So add on, subtract, okay, you need to describe the rule. Pause the video, press play when you're ready for the answers. Okay, I've also given you a challenge question here, guys. So if you finish the main task, you can have a go at this one, or you can skip and it will take you straight to the answers. If you want to do this, make sure you pause now. Here are your main task 2 answers. Okay, so pause this screen, mark your work, and then press play for the challenge question answer. Okay, remember you can pause at any time. Checking question. So you need to identify the rule and fill in the missing numbers. Pause the slide, answer the question, press play when you're ready to continue. And there are your answers for the checking question. Okay, adding on for each time.